Hello students, now come to the next exercise. Next exercise, our exercise 1.2. First question, fill in the table with the place and place value of underlined digit. This is the table. I have not drawn the table. This will be our table, okay? Like this. This is our table. The serial number, okay? This is the table. Now 6 is in which place? 1's tens. 6 in tens place. So we will write tens and the place value will be 60. 0 is in 1's place and place value of 0 is 0. 6 is in 1's, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So it is in lakhs place. Place value will be 6 lakhs. 1's, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 3 is in 1's, tens, 100,000, 10,000 place. So we will write 10,000, THUSAND, 1000. So I will write 10,000 here also like this. Anyway, 0 is in 1's, tens, 100, 1000 place, but the value will be 0. So it's very simple. I hope you have understood all the underlined places. We have to first name the place and then we have to write the place value. What is the value of that particular place? This underlined digit is in tens place. So tens place, and what is the value of this digit? 60. This is in 1's place. 1's place, the value of this place will be 0, place value. 6 is in lakhs place, so I will write lakhs, and the value of this digit in this what? 6 lakh. 3 is in 10,000 place, so I will write 10,000 for the place, and the value will be 10,000. See, 10,000. 0 in 1000 place, so I have written 1000, but the value of 0 will be 0. So I hope you have understood this one very nicely. Now come to the next question, question number B. Write the digit that has the greatest place value in the number. In this number, which digit is having greatest place value? 3 is in 1's place, 7 is in 10's place, 4 is in 100's place, 6 is in 1000, 2 is in 10,000 place. So write the digit that has the greatest place value. 2 is having the greatest place value because it is in 2 means 10,000 place. So 2, we will write 2 here. 3 is in 1's place, 1 is smaller than 10's, 10's is in smaller than 100, 100 is smaller than 1000, and 1000 is smaller than 10,000. Right now in this place 10,000 is the greatest place value, and in this place value which digit it has? It has 2. Same case here also, 1's, 10's, 100, 1000. 1000 is the greatest place value here, and digit in 1000 place is 5. So we will write 5 here. In this case also, 1's, 10's, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Lakh is the greatest place value, and in lakh you will have 9 as a digit, so I will write the 9. Here also 1's, 10's, 100, 1000, 10,000. 7 is in 10,000 place, and 10,000 is the greatest place value, so digit will be 7. It's very simple. So I hope you have understood both the questions very nicely. Thank you.